you need to review your Fleet Card's monthly transactions? With Shell Fleet Hub, you can download the full transaction reports in 5 easy steps. Let's start! Step 1. Click Menu and select Reports. Step 2. Click Download List and select Customize CSV. This will allow you to select which data you need and the date it covers. Step 3. Select the start and end dates and the invoice status. If your account has a card group, you may also select a specified card group for your report. Please take note, you may only download transactions for the past 6 months, as this is the maximum time our system can store data. Step 4. Add or remove the columns to customize the report that you need. After customizing, you may save it as a template so that you won't have to adjust the details every time you download a report. Step 5. Click Download CSV and your file will appear right away.